Guys, one advice, mayamda ay nakaingbadi as a professional or frequent traveler haiba tare ko. Koina achapot chaba matamda. Si mafam sa loi suna yon bane haiba ta. Sukchang chang no ba. Koina zaga do ba sa. Only si mafam sa samosa haubani only si mafam da singju yon bani singju haubani. Kilichana da yola di kilichana do hauni ba. Singjuju, boraju, chowminju, fried rice, momo su, adagi everything mixed up ba from the how ba kamera fake. Like they're trying to compensate, they're trying to like oh loy na hari loy phangani like bro. No one is perfect. How kamay na chef to bu chak thong iba mi to bu kamay na loy ma hay doi no ba. Koi gi ima ipa se chak thong ba hay bada kang soi thong bada iron bada any hinjang thong ma matam da how ri se kari hino. Koi gi jinjak ta thong ba ne ba but ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯣꯕ ꯕꯇꯔ ꯆꯤꯀꯟ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯣ ꯕꯤꯔꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯧ ꯄꯔꯥꯊꯥ ꯍꯧ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯧ ꯖꯁ ꯀꯣꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯀꯣꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯃꯣꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ like okay just like this is an elite advice okay not the average person elite advice haibadi like I travel the world, I have seen the world, but how can you be so perfect that you can cook every dishes from all over the world? So if you want to eat Italian food, go to the Italian restaurant where there is only Italian food. If you want to go to the like a South American food, like even South America is also huge, right? If you want to go to the proper Indian, like Ahaoba mapam Indian food, the chaningagadi, you need to go to the typical Indian restaurant where there you found only Indian cuisine. But if the Indian restaurants started making Italiano and then Latin America food and African food and then Thai food, nah, those are average. Okay, if you're really looking for authentic food, you need to go to the place where there is limited dishes, a limited menu. So, as a well-traveled advice to everyone, you need to find only the place what you want to eat and where they cook only that specific food. Okay? Ciao. This is live talking from Barcelona, Spain. I'm looking for the best paella, by the way. So how I look for the paella is like where they cook only only Spanish food, where there no Italian, where there is no Indian, where there is no American food.